Today I will be talking about cosmetic rhinoplasty. Cosmetic rhinoplasty is very different when compared to functional rhinoplasty. Here we are not addressing any of the functional issues in cosmetic rhinoplasty. Only cosmetic rhinoplasty is only done for beautification. You can beautify the dorsum of the nose, you can increase the height of the nose, you can make the nose straight, you can make the tip narrow, you can narrow the nostrils. Overall you can beautify the nose, both in males, females as well as in transgenders also. Why I am saying transgenders is these days we get a lot of transgenders, that is transgender women who are born as a male by birth and who want to change, who identify themselves as women. So that is one thing. When a patient like that comes, what you need to do is you need to typically convert the male structure into a female structure. That means you need to correct the nasal bone, nasal septum, teeth, ala, everything. Definitely from male to female, you can do that. And this is a small anatomy. Not only theoretically, practically, when you are doing any cosmetic procedures, you need to be well versed with anatomy. But not only the theoretical aspect, you need to know definitely where the structure comes. I mean to say what bone comes where, what nerves comes where, what arteries comes. Without that, you are going to end up in definitely, as Dr. Dinesh also said, it's a very complex surgery. So you should be very thorough with practical knowledge of the nasal anatomy. The medial wall, again, the medial wall is situated by tibial bone plate of ethmoid and perpendicular plate of ethmoid bone. Inferiorly, the nasal floor is inferiorly by the vomer. Posteriorly by the sphenoid bone. Again, the lateral wall is made up by perpendicular plate of palatine bone and ethmoid bones, lacrimal, maxillary, medial, pterygoid plate of sphenoid bone. Basically, the nasal floor, the lateral wall of the nose.
Sir has availed his fellowship in facial plastic surgery from Seoul, UK. Rhinoplasty from Shimian Clinic, Seoul, South Korea, and cosmetic surgery in USA. He has 15 years of experience in facial plastics and is one of the few surgeons in India who pioneers in facial feminization surgeries for transgenders. He is a fellow of Association of Facial Plastic Surgeons UK and a member of American Academy of Cosmetic Surgery and Indian Society of Cosmetic Surgery.
The polyethylene implant.
Okay. How about the rejection rates and other implants?
Which one, ma'am? Implants only can use either silicone or the polyethylene or
Any adverse effects or any side effects?
No. If it is placed with the proper plane, there is nothing problem.
Okay.
Yeah. You need to place. Again, the implants are also, you need to be very careful where to place. So it doesn't cause any issues at all. Okay. Any implant, maybe if it causes any infection, definitely you will be having tenderness over the skin, redness.
Okay. In that case, we need to remove that.
Definitely put the patient under antibiotics. You can remove the implant. Or if you wait and watch for some days, then you can, if the infection subsides, there is no need to remove, otherwise you can remove.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, this guy, maybe, yeah. You need to consult him. Maybe he should be happy because all irregularities are gone. His looks good, and his deposition looks good. The dorsal part you need to explain him now. Maybe, better is you can ask him to go to class surgical. Any other thing, ma'am?